Hello everyone. So today there was no intro because I forgot basically. So let's check everything how it goes. 1 2 sound 1 2. Yeah, cool. If you can please tell me if you can hear well, the music it's not too loud, that would be cool. One two sound 1 2. Okay, here we go. So I have my screen back on. Hey Francisco, how are you doing? Oh yeah, right. Today Francisco could not join us, um, so he is watching from the balcony and he's here with us, just not in the video. Um, so, um, right here we're about to sing something visually forming that maybe can highlight a little better what we've been saying. Thank you, Francisco. So, first of all, this is I'm getting these pieces from Untitled UI, so it's a collection of Figma design. Be sure to check it out. I've just seen just a few, and it's something cool for a starting point. And in our Project X, still doesn't have a name, we'll be able to create our portfolio, landing page, collection of links, and so on. So here we could have our welcome page, our profile page, profile, welcome page. So this would be something like projectx.com/IJPatricio for me, for instance. So we would come here and see our welcome page, and what we're trying to configure is to put a stack of blocks in the page where we would choose from a template, we would fill them out, and would be possible, so this would build a page, this would build a page like this. Not exactly like this, but you get the picture. So yeah, I think it's clear. Let's see. Okay, cool. This would turn something into this, yeah? So this is the goal for right now. Hi Pam, welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy. So yeah, right now we have our collection items where we have a post, and this post, if you can remember from last stream, it has three blocks of content. So this would be a YouTube video, social media link, social media link. So there would be a block like this for the YouTube video and another one for the social link, and we would be able to fill the props or arguments, let's say, to invoke this component, and it would bring this page to life. So yeah, I hope the message is much more clear now. Let's go on. I think with time this will be easier to see. Okay, so right now let's go back into the code. It's just in the same spot like last week. Didn't have any time to play more with this. So let's see where this goes today. Sure. I wish I could listen to the music also. Okay, so we have the collection item resource. We still don't have collections, but we'll jump right in. So it's flexible make. We're making, of course, these blocks that are possible to do with these two layouts. Got lost. Here we are. So, and we can fill these with fields. And now I would be expecting, let's see if this is ready already. So we have always the first user, so collection item would be always the first one. So could not remember this. Let's see. So why is that? What was the route again? /handle. Why wasn't this not found? There we are in this route. And the collection item was not found. Let's see. So it should find. Where's our helper? Here we go. Oh, also the user. What's going on with this? But there's also a user one. So why wouldn't this work? Let me check. I can't remember, so this should be fun. Let's do it like this. Can't imagine what's going on. Okay, so the user is not found. And why is that? Oh, we're handle. Right. So, Francisco, hello again. Can't we take advantage of the user handle directly in the route? Probably. Let's see. User handle field, right? We would inject a user. And let's tighten the user. Now I have to make sure of the seed that it's all right. Oh, the handle is admin. Okay, cool. So yeah, and we have the user already. So yeah, Francisco, thank you. One more. Okay, cool. So right now we'll have the user injected already, and we would have to get the collection item, and that's pretty much it. Let me expose. Oh, but I'm not sure what will happen to the model, to the eloquent instance. So content would be with a layout, having attributes, but I would like to have transformations in the backend. So I'll have to put this down, and I was expecting, well, yeah, let's say I want to make some transformation in PHP while reading, like a computed property, or even make a component field. So I want to map this object into another object, yeah? And let's see where this goes. So from here I want to find another project that I've been working already with this. So it will be a new window. I want to find, I've done that. Just give me a moment. Okay. So our collection item. Okay. Let's check documentation. So our flexible content will be a field in a resource. Okay. Okay. This is to display in Nova when we're deleting a block. Okay, this is when we're choosing these layouts. Content will be a flexible cast, and the class will collect basic layout instances. If you want to map the layouts into custom layout instances, it is also possible. Okay, so let's go to our model and edit a cast, a flexible cast. So we'll need the collection item model. And this also as a cast. Not as cast, sorry. Flexible cast. Whoa, I'm making... No, this is not good. This content will be cast into a flexible cast. So here we go. This is it. And how does this impact? Our content. Yeah, it has title and URL. But I want to add here a few properties. I want to add the view component that will be rendering the front. And some computer properties when we'll be handling user uploads. So that's also important. Let's do it. Okay. Let's keep digging. I have the other project to control. So if we put the trait, flexible attribute which automatically transform the attribute's value into a fully parsed layout collection. Instead of using the cast. And we can give him the layouts. So yeah, let's pretend the same. This would be a video layout, or even simpler, so just a social network layout, social network link, that seems fine. Okay, cool. So this is using as flexible. So I'm assuming not using the cast. And let's make an assessor. So it would be content. Flexible content, and I can't so it was return. How was that? I forgot what was the name. So attribute, right? Sorry, just a moment, I have to it's getting a little bit hot in here, so welcome back. Get flexible content. How would this work with a dash? I'm not sure if I'm seeing this. So this is an attribute, right? No. Cast attribute. Okay. I'll even say just content, and there's an attribute, and this is a cast attribute, and this would be with 2 functions. Let's receive the value, and these would turn into IDs flexible, and the field is content. Wouldn't this turn into a circular thing? Not sure. Let's see what happens. Here is our array. There we go. And now I would be able to find this in the front end. Let me put, this is still not there, but very close. What do we need? We need to npm run. What this stuff? Do we already have a front end? I can't remember. We have to do a change log. Oh damn, still didn't put everything. So is it Breeze already here? Yeah, it is. So I'm guessing, yeah. Okay. So this admin, I'm guessing there's okay. Or let's even do this, yeah. On an iPhone. And what's next? Next would be, this is the admin. Now I got it. Oh, too much time has passed and I'm out of context. So it would be space, I remember it. Space welcome. So our welcome will pass. Whoop. What did I change here? Oh yeah, right. Getting the user handle. Thank you, Francisco, again. Let's delete that and this here. Let's go. Show handle. Show by handle. Okay, collection item, and we'll give our collection item. Okay, this render flexible content. What is it? Let me check. So it was our render flexible content. So we are getting the string, of course. So what will we make? We have the content. So this is already a string. Let's change that. And we'll import. We are on script setup, so computed, and let's make just like content is already the word, but okay. So our let's say our template is equals to computed, and let's receive, oh yeah, so we also need 2 refs, and this is pops, little verbose, but it is what it is. So we'll get our content by getting props into refs. Content, okay, let's do it. So our template, it will be, I guess I won't need a function, it will be JSON does parse, whoop, we'll add a string and we'll parse it, and it will be our template. So what do you need? Text string, what's happening here? Oh, right, value, that was a reference, so this is a view tree, so it's the reactivity system. It will be wrapped in an object to keep the reactivity, and we'll use dot value. Nice output, right, Francisco? Yeah, let's do it now. I think we'll be able to do this better now, and let's do at least just a small flow. So this would be, yeah, just one letter, yeah. We would have to do something like this. I was not even looking. So this is the content, this is the string. There we go, we have our content there. But sure enough, we have a computed property already with our layout, our data that we will render stuff with, and basically that's it. But yeah, let's keep doing a little bit, pushing a little bit further. Let's see how it goes. Right now I would need to have another property here, but yeah, that's for sure. I would like to make automatically registered components, or leave that for later. Let's just make it work. So let's say I want to make a component, and let's make a social media link, one of many components, and the other would be, well, a YouTube video. Maybe that's too difficult to put right now. Let's just make a feature. Let's say it would have an icon, title, subtitle, call to action, and link for call to action. So yeah, let's do this as a feature. Not sure. Let's see where this will go. So let's use script setup for now. Okay. So this is a social media link. We'll also add a feature. Okay, cool. Let's render a component, and let's make what can I say? I would like to have a component relation from the front, from the backend. Okay. I mean, I could just do something for us to see the roadmap, and this, let's make this a general component. I don't know, just a data component of some sorts. Let's do it like this, and in our data component we'll have props that will be our layout. They call it a layout, right? Yeah. And now we're gonna render with layout. It's the other way around. We would come here, so our template in the render flexible content, the template is an array, so we would make a component that would iterate in templates, plural, templates, or this was called layouts before. So let's stick with the name. Okay. We would key this thing. And what about our component? I would like it later to come from the backend. It would be JavaScript property, and the backend would tell the frontend what component would be rendering. But for this moment we'll leave it as a data component, and it's not globally registered, so let's import it. So components / flexible content / data component. So I hope I got that right. And I didn't, because it's not rendering. So data component. So the first one is rendering, and why not in layouts? So layouts is an array. So layout by layouts. This would be to, I don't know, I do it, but yeah, let's say this would be to pass down layout to the data component, and I was expecting to see an array of divs. So I'm not getting. Oops. Data. So this should be the same. Three ones. Could be this. What am I missing? So there are three. Francisco, anyone? Are you seeing anything? You can try to help me. Okay, let's see what's happening. So I'm getting, of course, this is another 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Shouldn't be the case. Whoa. It was not this that I wanted. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so layout will be a number. Even so, they are not random. The question is why. Whoa, like this. Wow. ABC, now it comes. Just layout of key. Okay, let me try to find. So this data component expects a layout. To be an object. And it's required. So wired in 3 or 4, just one output. Yeah, I'm not getting that. I'm having data component, I'm having them. But if I'm using the generic component, it's not. Okay. This is always good to happen in a live stream. No big fuss. Yeah, I just don't know what's happening. And the first one is rendering. Missing required prop layout. Why didn't I open this before? Okay. I'm not getting this. Missing required prop layout. Why? Bananas and bananas. The second one is not getting it. Why? Does not have the layout prop. Where, Francisco? Line 11. Oh, fuck. Whoops, I said Damn, I just swear I don't know if this will... It's for adult rated, I think. So, is it view not registering? Okay, so let's get back to this. And now let's... Right, thank you. This is... Oh, and it's an object needed, so... Just an empty object will do. So we have foobar, ABC, but why 3 ones? This is the data component. Does this need to be globally registered? These would be data components, data components. So now we have them. Did you see this, Francisco? I was hitting a wall, but out of a sudden I just remembered that the first one was rendering, but not the next ones. So no reason for now not having everything to work. I'll go back into the data component, replace all thing bananas with layout, and there we go. Let's take our ABC out, and sure enough we have 1, 2, 3 JSONs ready to do this. Rule of thumb, if this was using, I was even importing this one because I was not sure if this would be ignored, as it was not detected by the compiler. So this was a wall brick, but luckily it's passed now. So let's take this out of scenario, and yeah, like we can see now, we could just like make a component. Pretty sure, yeah. So let me grab a component. Not exactly where from. Let's see. So we want a social media link, right? Now, what do we have? Platform and URL. Title URL. Platform URL. It just doesn't matter, right? It's just to... Okay, so I want this card. So in our, well, let's say data component, let's put, whoop, let's remove this tag. And we won't have an image. So all we have to do right now is to get our layout attributes. Let's change this a little bit. So it would have a title and subtitle. So okay, that should be enough. App Nova collection item. Let's say our YouTube video also has a subtitle. This doesn't need a migration as this is serialized. Right now let's edit our subtitle. Let's get this started. Let's delete this and this. Add another YouTube video. And let's say eloquent collections or Laravel collections are so damn cool. Whoop. Dark. I think I'm missing something. Well, let's take the stuff. I don't know. Doesn't matter. So we have two YouTube videos. We have title and subtitle. So right now we can just to demonstrate the stuff. We wanna put here. Let's go with this layout dot outgoing. Oh damn. Attributes dot title. Okay, cool. And this would be subtitle, right? Whoop. So yeah, programming with Nova 4. Let's get this started. And Laravel collections are so damn cool. So this is the kind of stuff that we are looking for. We have a backend. We will be able to choose one layout or another one or another one. And this is exactly what we're doing here. Let's edit this. And we have one block, another block. Let's put the third one. hello world, this is me, and I will update. Now I have 3 blocks, so sure enough on the next visit we'll see hello world, this is me, and I guess we have still a long way ahead of us, but sooner or later we'll have just a block builder where people can make some profiles and quickly and custom, and yeah, that's it. So we're about to close. Don't know, well, not many people watching now, so thank you for the free resistance people still with me. Hope you enjoyed it and that you can clearly see now or with a better perspective what we'll be doing with collection items. So this is just a welcome page, then we'll be able to have custom collections. How can I do this? So let's say we'll also have projects, and it comes someone else and is an artist or she's an artist, and they have concerts or shows or meetups or of some sort. We would be able to add and remove items to the collections, and we would be able to build every template for a project or for a concert or for a show out of many blocks that will be later available with the platform, possibly with the themes. We can customize, add custom CSS, receive templates from community templates, and yeah, that will be cool. So about to close, I would like to show Nova packages that have seen quite activity recently. We have lots of goodies for Nova 4. We can see they are coming, and I tweeted out before previously today. Just head out to Nova packages and check all the new goodies for Nova 4. It's happening, so have fun, build fast, and I hope you enjoy building applications and admin panels with Nova. I know I do, and I'll just wait a few moments. Francisco, are you still there? Thank you for joining, everyone at home. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Okay, so I'm heading out. Thank you so much. See you next week. Maybe we'll have a surprise show this week, another one. Let's see how it goes. Thank you so much. So, bye. Happy